In this guide, I'm going to show you where to configure the first step of the checkout flow, which is the customer login step. So what you need to do is from the dashboard, you need to click settings on the left-hand side. That's going to take us through to the settings page. And then on the left-hand side, beneath shop settings, checkout is the 7th one down. So if you click that on the left-hand side, it's going to take you through to this page. So this is all about the different steps of your checkout flow, and the first step of your checkout flow is your customer login. Okay, so see you've got all of your different steps down here, and we're going to click customer login. Okay, now this is quite an established test shop I've got, so I've got lots of different things set up on it. Okay, so if I click that customer login, it's going to take me through to here. Okay, so enable checkout customer login. What that means is, can customers create an account on my EKM online shop as part of the checkout flow? Yes, I'd like them to do that. I offer loyalty points. It encourages a bit of customer loyalty. Now, I also have enable guest checkout as well. Okay, so guest checkout is, can people check out without logging into their account on my EKM online shop? They're not interested in making an account with me. Yep, that's fine. Okay, now this is happening because I've got customer login already installed on my EKM online shop. If you don't have customer login installed, what you'll see here is a notification saying you need to install customer login so we can do these settings. Okay, customer login, separate feature, separate guide, separate video, but very, very highly recommended. Like I said before, it really encourages customer loyalty when you're using customer login, because customers can create an account on your shop. They can do things like create wish lists. If you offer loyalty points, they can build up loyalty points, get money off in the future. It's a really good way of encouraging customer loyalty. Okay, so when you've ticked your boxes on here, all you need to do is click save, and that's it. You're done. You just need to set up your next checkout step. Separate video and a separate guide for that, and you can find those on our support center, which is support.ekm.com, or alternatively, if videos are more your thing, come and find us over on YouTube. Just bob onto youtube.com, type in EKM, and you can find us on there as well.